मैम एक्चुअली आई हैव हर्ड योर स्टोरी मैम। आपने ये कहा था कि मेरे को एक टाइम में बिल्कुल छोड़ना पड़ा प्रिपरेशन एंड यू हैड टू रीस्टार्ट दैट।
Yes.
दैट रियली गिव मी वन रे ऑफ, सो आई फेल्ट लाइक इतना सा मेहनत करना है, इतना सा एफर्ट्स लगाना है कि फेलियर का सोच भी पास आ ना सके। सो दैट्स इट मैम।
This is very
एंड फॉर करंट अफेयर्स मैम एक्चुअली मेरे को इतना रटना अच्छा नहीं लगता है मैम। सो मैंने एक स्ट्रेटजी लगा था मैम खुद के लिए कि मैं उठते उठते अगर 6 बजे उठे या 7 बजे उठे, आई विल स्पेंड 1.5 आवर रीडिंग 10 न्यूज़पेपर्स मैम, 10 to 12 न्यूज़पेपर्स। जो एक यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट का एक
हाँ.
रूटीन होता है वो फॉलो किया मैम। फॉलोड बाय 2 करंट अफेयर लेक्चर्स मैम। उनका एक वीडियोस होता है मैम, लाइक लास्ट 5 years
On
लॉजिकल
YouTube.
रीजनिंग।
I also did those
या
videos for my preparation.
या
Yes.
मैंने तो वो वीडियो पॉज करके क्वेश्चन को देख के पॉज करके
हाँ.
वो मेंस देयर वाज ए रियली शॉक एंड हडल मैम, दैट इज सेक्शनल टाइमर।
Yes.
सेक्शनल टाइमर एक ऐसा घटिया वाला फेस मैम कि लोगों को इतना डराया डराया गया किया था मैंने।
Hmm.
सिर्फ वो उसमें मैंने ऐसा सोचा था कि क्वेश्चन द एग्जाम मॉक टेस्ट विल बी मेमोरी बेस्ड मॉक टेस्ट विल बी द रियल
हाँ.
बैटल फील्ड।
Yes.
सो मैंने तो ऐसा सोचा कि आइदर वी लर्न
Hmm.
और वी विन। तो
Yes.
वहीं पे मैंने सोचा था मैम कि डिसीजन मेकिंग कैसा होना है फ्रंट ऑफ IBPS PO प्रीलिम्स। माय फादर हैड ए माइल्ड स्ट्रोक,
Oh, I'm so
so
sorry.
like I was left all alone in the home because my mom had to stay with my dad. Actually RRB PO नहीं हुआ है मैम last year, but I told my mom कि because that was my first interview ma'am after so many years, so I lied to my mom कि माँ मेरा वेटिंग लिस्ट पे है।
Oh,
ए सिलेक्शन नेक्स्ट ईयर सिलेक्शन का एक दिन पहले आएगा। नेवर लेट योरसेल्फ डाउन एंड believe the vision, believe that you can achieve the vision, because even for me being a very failure student and being a very dumb student.
so, hello, my dear future bankers. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Since we have been uploading the videos of selected aspirants, as we know, every aspirant has a different success story. So, today we have along with us Mr. Vineet Roy. Okay? He has cleared his RRB PO, and let us listen his success story from himself only. So, let us congratulate first. Many congratulations to you, Vineet.
Thank you so much ma'am, and a very good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, dear.
And thank you so much for this great opportunity to share my strategy and story to many people ma'am.
I am sure, dear. Thanks to you, you messaged me, and I am sure your success story will definitely help and inspire many out there. So, first of all, let us have a brief introduction from yours.
Yes ma'am, thank you so much ma'am. I am Vineet Roy and I belong to a place called Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh ma'am. Here, the coaching institutes and the sources of preparation is very limited, ma'am. So I have given myself self preparation. So, ma'am, I have done my engineering from 2010 to 14, ma'am. But due to some limitations and a few drawbacks, it took me another 2 years to complete my engineering, ma'am. So it took almost 7 years to complete my engineering, ma'am.
Okay.
And being such a dull student and such a failure, it took me so much time to evolve myself, because I am competing with all the students who have scored 80%, 70%, even got placed in few MNCs. And वो सब लोगों से मेरे को compete करने के लिए इतना हिम्मत नहीं था एक टाइम पे।
Hmm.
बट इससे अलावा मेरे को कुछ और नहीं आता है मैम, बिकॉज आई फेल्ट apart from SSC
Hmm.
and many other competitive exams, I felt banking is very much comfortable to prepare, but मेरे को हिम्मत नहीं आ रहा मैम वो उतना सा।
Okay. First of all, I would like
Yes.
to appreciate that you know good Hindi. And
Thank you, sir.
next, I would like to ask if you're comfortable telling कि आपका जो engineering करी आपने वो 7 years में why मतलब क्या कुछ problems थी या फिर आपका कुछ examinations नहीं clear कर पा रहे थे आप?
Ma'am, actually in my college there was some rivalry between in electronics triple E department and ECE department मैम। so due to that हमारा labs हमको fail करा रहा था वो लोग। सो जिसके वजह से हमें क्लास वर्क के अलावा वो रिकॉर्ड सब कुछ मेंटेन करना उतना बड़ी चीज होती है मैम। एंड बाय द टाइम आई रियलाइज्ड कि कुछ स्मार्ट तरीके ढूंढना एंड ऑल, इट वाज सो हेक्टिक and even I had few health constraints ma'am at that time. So by the time I was so strong and I'm getting matured in my mind, she, the things are getting out of control ma'am, out of my hands. So even when I started my banking preparation also, all the peer pressure among family and society, those really affected me a lot ma'am.
I can completely understand.
एग्जाम क्लियर करना एक तरफ की डिफिकल्टी मैम, बट conquering all the demons in our mind and even the society, the peer pressure and all, it's like so hectic ma'am, other than preparing hard for the exam.
I completely understand. I'm so sorry that you have to go through so many hurdles in your
Yes,
life, and I can completely relate with you that clearing exam is another thing, but going through mental pressure is another thing, and studying in that kind of atmosphere is very tough. And but we are lucky that I also cleared the examination, you also cleared the examination uh,
yes
with
ma'am.
all those hurdles.
Yes, मैम एक्चुअली हाउ हैड योर स्टोरी मैम, आपने ये कहा था कि मेरे को एक टाइम में बिल्कुल छोड़ना पड़ा प्रिपरेशन एंड यू हैड टू रीस्टार्ट दैट.
Yes.
That really gave me one ray of hope ma'am, because even I have the great starting trouble ma'am.
Hmm.
जो भी चीज आता है उसको फिर से स्टार्ट करना मेरे को इतना हिम्मत नहीं आता है मैम. वंस आई स्टार्ट आई कैन रियली कोप अप विद इट.
Hmm. Right.
So in that way you are a ray of inspiration ma'am, thank you for being such.
Thank you so much, dear. So when did you start your banking preparation, and which is this is your which attempt you cleared the examination?
Actually, ma'am, I started in the year 2018, ma'am.
Hmm.
Actually, in that 2018-19, I had failed IBPS clerk by 0.01, ma'am. I
0.0.
really don't know. Yes, ma'am. I really don't know why I'm not even placed in the reserve list, ma'am.
Huh.
I belong to Andhra Pradesh and I gave the exam in Karnataka, ma'am.
Okay.
Actually, I really don't know why I'm not even placed in the reserve list.
Yes.
So that really took a lot of depression, ma'am, in me.
I am.
And that too followed by COVID, ma'am.
Oh,
COVID
yes,
three
that
years.
COVID came. Yes, right. So
Yes,
all
ma'am.
these years you were preparing for your banking preparation, or you were doing something else also?
No, ma'am. Actually, I'm working for my friends, some freelancing, but preparation is my main motto, ma'am.
Right, right, right. Okay, okay. So you were helping family also and along with your preparation. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It is, matlab, as a working professional only we can say that you cracked this examination.
Not like that, ma'am. For my pocket money, I'm doing some
Acha.
kind of stuff.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is also very inspiring. So now you tell me your strategy. What were your strategy? Like 18, say you were preparing from 2018, and this is to 2025. And so
Yes, ma'am.
these years, what were the failures and what you learned from the failures? That is very important for other aspirants who are listening to this interview, because there might be many aspirants who might be relating with your story, that who are preparing from so long, and then sometimes we get demotivated. So what were your hurdles and how did you tackle them?
So मैम, my strategy was very simple मैम, that is हम इतना जोर से पढ़ना है कि हमें हारने की सोच हमारे आसपास में ना आ सके मैम. दैट्स माय थिंग. बिकॉज मैम मेरे को इतना सा वो वो फेल्यूर का सोच आ रहा था कि मेरे को ठीक से नींद भी नहीं आ रहा मेरे को. इवन आई एम गेटिंग सो मच एंग्जाइटी, पैनिक अटैक्स एंड ऑल. सो आई फेल्ट लाइक इतना सा मेहनत करना है, इतना सा एफर्ट्स लगाना है कि फेल्यूर का सोच भी पास आ ना सके. सो दैट्स इट मैम.
दिस इज वेरी वेरी मोटिवेटिंग लाइन. मतलब जो भी सुन रहे होंगे दे मस्ट गेट मोटिवेटेड दैट इतनी मेहनत करो कि आपको हारने का सोचना ही ना पड़े. राइट.
या मैम.
ठीक है, वेरी नाइस. तो आपकी व्हाट वाज योर स्ट्रेटजी? मतलब कॉन्ट, रीजनिंग, इंग्लिश, हाउ, लाइक व्हिच वाज योर वीक सब्जेक्ट, हाउ डिड यू टैकल दैट सब्जेक्ट, करंट अफेयर्स, यू टेल ऑल ऑफ दिस.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, see, right, we got the IBPS calendar recently, na ma'am. So it will be coming on January 15 or 16, ma'am.
हाँ
So, ma'am, I have the calendar sticked right in front of me in my workplace.
हाँ
So, ma'am, and even मेरा एक IBPS PO का मेंस का एक स्कोर कार्ड मैम वो भी छिपा रहा था यहीं पे सामने.
हम्म
If I can show, I can show. So, ma'am, my strategy is like January to March, I will be giving few RRB PO ka mock test along with my quant arithmetic chapters, ma'am.
हम्म
Because I feel like this mock test, the giving mock test is only for picking up my speed concepts and uh, doing all the arithmetic concepts of quant is for doing the data sufficiency
हम्म
and the data like a dat DI, madam, DI of mains.
interpretation.
Yeah, ma'am. Especially in IBPS clerk and RRB clerk also, mostly the DS section can be tackled, ma'am. Because अगर वो ऐसा होता है कभी कभी क्वेश्चंस मेरे को ऐसा लगा था कि बेसिक आता तो बिल्कुल सॉल्व होने वाली क्वेश्चंस है मैम, इसलिए.
राइट राइट मेंस में ऐसा ही होता है.
या मैम. एंड फॉर करंट अफेयर्स मैम एक्चुअली मेरे को इतना रटना अच्छा नहीं लगता है मैम. सो मैंने एक स्ट्रेटजी लगा था मैम खुद के लिए कि मैं उठते उठते अगर 6 बजे उठे या 7 बजे उठे, आई विल स्पेंड 1.5 आवर रीडिंग 10 न्यूज़पेपर्स मैम, 10 to 12 न्यूज़पेपर्स. जो एक यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट का एक
हाँ
रूटीन होता है वो फॉलो किया मैम. फॉलोड बाय 2 करंट अफेयर लेक्चर्स मैम, 1.5 hour each of एक अभिजीत मिश्रा सर ऑफ
यस
वो बैंकर्स वे ऑफ अनअकैडमी वाला, एंड एक आशीष गौतम सर का करंट अफेयर्स वीडियो मैम आप अड्डा 24/7, फॉलोड बाय वीकली रिवीजन ऑफ स्मार्ट कीड़ा मैम.
ओके ओके मतलब you prepared current affairs in a very strategic way, in a smarter way. That is, first you would go through newspapers, and
Yes,
newspapers
ma'am.
you will cover in only 1.5 hours or 2 hours maximum. So
Yes, ma'am.
one newspaper normally takes 1 to 2 hours. Then how did you cover 10 newspaper in 2 hours? Like you would only need read the headlines, or how would you read? Because many aspirants in banking also they prefer going through newspapers for current affairs. But I never recommend because I cannot go through newspapers. It feels boring to me. So you suggest other aspirants and me also, like how did you read the newspapers?
Actually, ma'am, reading newspapers is actually very boring, ma'am. It's actually very tedious task also. मेरे को भी ऐसा लगता था कि इतना एफर्ट्स डाला तुमने, क्या वेस्ट होगा क्या.
हाँ
बट मैम अल्टीमेटली द थिंग इज अगर हम 2 न्यूज़पेपर्स को पढ़े तो लाइक सम न्यूज़ विल बी ओवरलैपिंग मैम.
हाँ
ताकि मेरा 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 एफर्ट था बस इतना सा मैम कि even subconsciously you should be able to attempt the question
राइट.
subconsciously. यानी 10 न्यूज़पेपर्स में एटलीस्ट 40% ऑफ द न्यूज विल बी ओवरलैपिंग ना मैम. सो एंड फॉलोड बाय 2 करंट अफेयर्स लेक्चर्स मेरे को अच्छे से याद हो जाए कि ये दिस हेडलाइन बिलोंग्स टू दिस गवर्नमेंट स्कीम ये है, ये स्कीम का क्राइटेरिया ये है एंड ऑल लाइक दैट.
ओके.
एंड एंड एक्चुअली ये थोड़ा आई मीन लाइक इट इज हेक्टिक बट वो वीकली करंट अफेयर से हम व्हेन वी गो थ्रू ऑल दैट इट विल बी आई फेल्ट लाइक इट्स इजी मैम.
Yes. So you would read newspaper daily or weekly, Sunday as a one day?
नो मैम, डेली रूटीन.
Okay, you would read 10 newspaper daily. You would just skim, right?
यस मैम, यस मैम, यस मैम.
And I think skimming might had help you in this क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
एडिटोरियल रीडिंग
Yeah.
एबिलिटी मैम.
Yes, English section, reading
या
comprehension and all.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I have chosen 6 newspapers, ma'am,
Hmm.
because people say ki you have to read all the economy-based stuff and all.
Yes.
So I have picked 6 newspapers, ma'am, and I have created my own compilation of editorial.
Hmm.
ताकि मैंने वो कॉलम सब हाईलाइट करके अनफेमिलियर वर्ड्स का मीनिंग्स लिखा था मैम सामने,
Oh.
ताकि जब हम पढ़े तो वो
Hmm.
हमको समझ आ जाए कि मैटर क्या है, वो
Yes.
वर्ड का मतलब क्या है.
Right, right. So this is something different. This is मतलब मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है ये सुन के कि this strategy can also work like newspapers and then followed by 2 videos, कोई भी जो भी आपको करना है, and then स्मार्ट किरा से आपने वो किया, स्मार्ट किरा से क्या किया,
Yes, ma'am. तो
क्वेश्चन
स्मार्ट किड़ा का या
स्मार्ट।
मैम स्मार्ट किड़ा वन लाइनर, वीकली वन लाइनर से मैंने पूरे इंफॉर्मेशन को पढ़ना रिटेन करना वो किया मैम।
Okay, okay, okay. That is very nice. And then what about reasoning? Reasoning में prelims and then mains दोनों का बताओ।
Ma'am, actually, my strategy was to make my quant and reasoning both strong, ma'am. So मैंने पहला जब मॉक टेस्ट शुरुआत करना है तो मैंने पकड़ लिया आरआरबी पीओ का प्रीलिम्स मैम।
ठीक है।
Then when I was giving RRB PO का prelims, I started with memory based mocks, ma'am, on Adda and textbook.
हाँ
Then I switched on to Olive Board, ma'am.
ठीक है।
For quant, I actually I prepared with the checklist of Ashish,
आशीष अरोड़ा
sorry,
अरोड़ा।
Ashish Arora sir, ma'am.
ठीक है।
उनका चेकलिस्ट मेरे को बहुत हेल्प किया मैम वो कैलकुलेशन को पिकअप करने में।
ठीक है।
And then, ma'am, for reasoning, I completely relied on the mocks, ma'am. But for what do you say for mains logical reasoning, I relied on Art of Reasoning by Sanjay sir, ma'am.
Yes sir। हाँ
उनका उनका वो एक वीडियोस होता है मैम लाइक
हाँ।
लास्ट 5 years
On
लॉजिकल
YouTube
रीजनिंग।
I also did those
या मैम,
videos for my preparation।
या
Yes।
मैंने तो वो वीडियो पॉज करके क्वेश्चन को देख के पॉज करके
हाँ same।
वैसा मैं अपना खुद का एनालिसिस किया मैम एंड again I check the answer like that ma'am.
Right, right. I also used to do the same. I would open his
Yes
video,
ma'am.
YouTube video, then pause and then play. I would think what would be the answer, and then I would go as the next question.
And ma'am, for quant especially I followed हर्षल अग्रवाल सर मैम कि उनका इतना इतना अच्छा होता है मैम ताकि हमें एग्जाम खत्म होते ही मेमोरी बेस्ड पेपर लाइव होता है।
Right.
तो वो फॉलो किया मैम फॉलोड बाय आई टुक हिज पेड कोर्स लेटर which
ठीक।
really helped me to tackle the paper मैम because मैंने इतना सारे एजुकेटर्स को देखा मैम जो डराता है but he really pacified all my fears.
Right. I completely agree with you. And उसके बाद, what was your strategy for English?
Ma'am, my strategy for English during lockdown time,
हाँ
I went through all the grammar वाला playlist, ma'am, कि
120।
subject verb agreement क्या होता है
अच्छा।
and all.
Okay।
Uh, so with that one, ma'am, my concept is very clear ताकि जहाँ भी error लगे वो
हाँ
error मेरे को mind में आ जाता है मैम कि this one is not the
आ
subject,
जाता,
it's
वो
not
feel आ
our.
जाता है। हाँ
Yes, ma'am. Single subject, single verb, plural subject, plural verb, and all, ma'am.
ठीक है। And what was your score, Vineet, in quant reasoning English and in this RRBPO final score mains?
I'm sorry. Actually, I didn't check properly
अच्छा ठीक है।
because that is 1.25 multiplication and all.
Yes, yes, yes.
But yeah, ma'am. So I didn't check properly, but I was having a lead of 26 marks in the overall, ma'am.
That is very nice. मतलब a
Yes,
good
ma'am.
score and good strategy. So in reasoning mains, like the pattern since last year, it has been changed, right? In reasoning, they are
Yes, ma'am.
focusing more on logical reasoning as
Yes, ma'am.
compared to miscellaneous questions. Like there were no questions asked on this blood relation and all those. Not many questions, है ना? So
Yes, ma'am.
which kind of questions you attempted in reasoning mains?
Ma'am, especially regarding RRB PO mains, there was a really shock and hurdle, ma'am. That is a sectional timer.
Yes.
सेक्शनल टाइमर एक ऐसा घटिया वाला फेस मैम कि लोगों की इतना डराया डराया गया उसका एक प्रैक्टिस की वही भी चेकिंग हो गई है मैम कि मेंटल प्रेशर होता कि कैसे क्वेश्चंस को चुनना है डिसीजन मेकिंग और क्वेश्चन को करना है अगर नहीं हो जाता तो क्या करूँ वो स्ट्रेस ज्यादा है मैम। तो मैंने तो सीधा वन लाइनर वाला पजल्स होता है मैम उसको टैकल किया था उसके बाद वो होता है ना मैम डाटा सफिशिएंसी वाला क्वेश्चंस
हाँ
वो स्टेटमेंट वाला क्वेश्चंस को टैकल किया मैम
ठीक है। हाँ
and then only I went to all the logical reasoning ma'am and Silog inequality वो coding decoding वो
हम्म।
क्वेश्चंस को चुनाया मैम मैंने।
ठीक है, ठीक है। विनीत, कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी कि आप मेंस के पजल्स हाउ वुड यू सॉल्व, लाइक व्हेन यू वर प्रैक्टिसिंग पजल्स एट योर होम, तो व्हाट वर योर स्ट्रेटजी टू सॉल्व मेंस पजल? हाउ मच टाइम डिड इट टेक टू यू टू सॉल्व वन मेंस पजल?
मैम एक्चुअली आई डिडंट प्रिपेयर एनीथिंग इंडिविजुअली मैम। टेक्स्ट बुक में वो आईबीपीएस पीओ मेंस का मेमोरी बेस्ड मॉक होता है मैम, वो अटेम्प्ट किया था मैंने।
हम्म।
सिर्फ वो उसमें मैंने ऐसा सोचा था कि क्वेश्चन द एग्जाम मॉक टेस्ट विल बी मेमोरी बेस्ड मॉक टेस्ट विल बी द रियल
हाँ।
बैटलफील्ड।
यस।
सो मैंने तो ऐसा सोचा कि आइदर वी लर्न
हम्म।
और वी विन।
यस।
तो वहीं पे मैंने सोचा था मैम कि डिसीजन मेकिंग कैसा होना है। एंड इवन मैंने एक बेंचमार्क रखा था मैम कि अगर आईबीपीएस पीओ का मॉक मेरे से हो जाए तो
हाँ।
सब हो जाएगा, सबका सबका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होगा।
राइट, कट ऑफ अगर क्लियर हो जाएगी तो।
यस
हम्म।
मैम, यस मैम।
ठीक है, वेरी नाइस। मतलब यू मेंशन फ्यू गुड वर्ड्स, दैट इज आइदर यू विन और यू लर्न. Many
यस मैम।
aspirants do not understand this concept. They feel demotivated if they do not clear the cutoff. And I always, suggest aspirants that if you are giving a mock, then please do not think about the marks. If you're getting low marks, then it is good for you, because then you know which are your weak areas and then you can prepare accordingly, right?
यस मैम, यस मैम। एंड रिगार्डिंग आरआरबी पीओ मैम, आई वुड सजेस्ट एस्पिरेंट्स की उनका स्टेट की वैकेंसीज पिछले साल कितना है
Mhm.
एंड अभी इस साल कितना है, पिछले साल का कट ऑफ कितना है एंड अभी इस साल का कट ऑफ कितना होने वाला है, वो एस्टिमेशन थोड़ा सा माइंड पे रख के जाना है मैम, बिकॉज वी शुड नो द डेप्थ ऑफ द वाटर वी आर गेटिंग इन द मैम। सो ऐसे।
Yes, even when I was preparing, na, I also pasted a paper, A4 sheet, and then I wrote all the cutoffs, prelims also, mains also, and then how much marks will increase maybe. So I had that idea. So I think this is the basic one aspirant should do before starting the preparation.
यस मैम, यस मैम। एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक मॉक टेस्ट एक ऐसा होता है मैम कि एक फ्लाइट चढ़ने वाले का एक सिमुलेटर होता है मैम, वैसे ही मैम एक सिमुलेटर है कि
Yes.
हमें वो एग्जाम का एक्चुअली रियल टाइम इन्वायरमेंट और रियल टाइम चैलेंजेस, डिसीजन मेकिंग, प्रैक्टिस सब हमको सिखाएगा मैम। मॉक टेस्ट को बिल्कुल हल्के से नहीं लेना है मैम। जितना भी जल्दी हम मॉक टेस्ट को करना शुरू करें, जितना भी जल्दी हम प्रीलिम से कंफर्टेबल रहे, तो इतना जल्दी मेंस पे जो सिलेक्शन देता हमें उस पे जाने का वो टाइम टाइम तो कम टाइम में जाना जाना वो होता है मैम, पॉसिबल होता है।
Right, right, right. So Vinith, which were the mock tests? Like you mentioned test book, and then you also mentioned olive board. And which
Yes,
other for mains, which test book, test series did you use?
ma'am, to get the real time level and depth of the examination, I choose a test book because
Huh?
even Hollywood has the memory based mocks of prelims, but mains are not available, ma'am.
Mhm.
So I will advise and suggest anyone to choose a test book because it has memory based of the past 5 to 6 years, ma'am.
Oh, okay, dear. Okay. This is
And
something.
then for the actual exam, actual mock test, I would suggest to go for Hollywood, ma'am.
Yes, prelims. I also suggest olive board only. I also
Yes, ma'am.
did olive board. Okay, so like sometimes there, like in this last year while you were preparing, like you were preparing है ना, full-fledgedly. So there might be days when you were not able to study. There might be days when you could not score good in mocks. So how would you tackle those days?
Ma'am, actually, I am not so religious, but I want to tell you one thing. I am a Christian, ma'am. हमको एक सिर्फ एक ही त्योहार त्योहार रहता है. I feel so lucky for that key because ma'am, all the exams are very much they are occupied in the days of holidays, ma'am.
Yes, right.
Holidays, festivals, and also not being a Hindu, I feel like I get time to read.
Oh,
Sorry for that.
no,
Sorry
that
for that
is
remark, but
no, no, that is just fine. Just that key, you got more time than others, those who had
yes, ma'am.
festivals.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right, right. No, but like sometimes when you like there must be days when you're not studying, when you are not feeling like studying. Like all were you
Ma'am, not
enough?
यस मैम। मैम, नॉट फीलिंग लाइक स्टडीइंग का मेरा मतलब होता है मैम कि मेरा बॉडी जो प्रिपरेशन के लिए रेडी होता है ना मैम, वो इतना सा फिट नहीं है जो मेरा 25 ईयर्स 27 ईयर्स में है मैम, बिकॉज नाउ आई एम 31 ईयर्स। उतना रेडी नहीं होता है मैम, मेमोरी पावर भी इतना रिटेनिंग नहीं होता है। बट मैम जो भी बंदा वो पेरेंट्स का स्ट्रगल्स को जानता है ना मैम, पेरेंट्स का स्ट्रगल्स फाइनेंशियल लाइक, अगर मेरा प्रिपरेशन 2 साल में नहीं होता तो फैमिली कितना मुश्किली में जा सकता है। इफ दे नो लाइक all the real time limitations, then they
I
have to push themselves more.
Yes, I completely agree. Then, like, these are all excuses. Like, then these
Yes ma'am,
are
yes ma'am.
all excuses. Like, I am not feeling like studying. ये सब excuse बन जाते हैं when we know the real time things that no, we will have to do something for ourselves and for our family. I agree. Yeah.
Yes
So,
ma'am.
Vineet, now you tell me like how you prepared for the interview. How was your interview? What did you wear for the interview? Which dress code did you follow?
Ma'am, actually last November and October it was so challenging ma'am in my family, because just 2 days in front of IBPS PO prelims my father had a mild stroke.
Oh, I'm so
So like I was left all alone in the home because my mom had to stay with my dad.
sorry.
And even during the interview phase also I was so sick ma'am. Actually I had a mentor, his name is Ravi Kumar. He Super 50 Gurukul batch, ma'am. It's on YouTube. I followed him, ma'am, and actually previous year I had RRB PO mains only 11 marks lead, ma'am.
Okay.
At that time I joined Hollywood आदित्य सर का बैच।
Also did.
सो
Yeah.
उस बैच से मैंने पूरा नोट्स को लिखा मैम मैंने।
Hmm.
that notes is ready for me, but to in order to have a one-to-one
Yes.
interview guidance, I followed Ravi sir.
Okay.
So Ravi sir of Super 50 Gurukul batch on YouTube, he belongs to Delhi, ma'am.
Okay.
So he guided me with my facial expressions, with my behavior, accent, expression, and all, ma'am.
Okay.
So actually, ma'am, on the day of interview, on the D day, my my turn is at actually 1 o'clock, ma'am, reporting time, but I got at 6 o'clock, ma'am.
Okay.
My turn,
Morning 6 or evening 6?
evening 6, ma'am.
Oh,
Actually, 1 p.m. is my reporting time, ma'am. I got my turn at 6 o'clock, ma'am.
अच्छा अच्छा ऐसा. I thought you reported at 6. I was like, this is something. हाँ, okay. अच्छा, 5 hours you had to wait.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, till my round, every candidate was giving interview for 15 minutes, ma'am.
Okay. अच्छा ठीक है. हाँ. Mine also.
And my interview was like 7 or 6 minutes, ma'am. मेरे को ऐसा लगा था कि इंटरव्यू तेरे बस की बात नहीं है इसके बाद।
हाँ. ठीक है. So what all?
लाइक मेरे को ऐसा लगा।
हाँ. तो
Yes, ma'am.
मतलब you had to wait for 5 hours, and then you
Yeah,
was
ma'am.
all tired. You were all tired that यार अभी मतलब.
मैम
And that
इतना
is
डर लग रहा है मैम कि उसके मुंह से कुछ भी क्वेश्चन आ जाए। व्हाट वाज द क्वेश्चन, आई वाज सो
fine.
filled with anxiety मैम at that time.
So what all questions were they asked? Did they ask like, can you share like few of the questions or few of the one of the incidents which you think that these kind of questions aspirants should definitely prepare for the interview?
मैम रिगार्डिंग द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मैम, के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के कुछ रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज होता है, तो रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज क्या है, रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज का पर्पस क्या है, उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड हिस्ट्री भी जानना है मैम, वो प्रेजेंट चेयरमैन एंड ऑल। एंड वी शुड बी मच अवेयर ऑफ ऑल द recently approved schemes मैम,
Okay. Hmm.
schemes and all. And even the defense news schemes, कुछ भी अगर कंट्री पेटेंट्स में कुछ कुछ चीजों में अगर टॉप कर रही है तो उस कंट्री के बारे में रीसेंट स्पोर्ट्स, लाइक दैट मैम।
Okay. Okay. And when the result came on this January 1, so how was the reaction of your family? At what time did you check the result? You must be knowing that कि हाँ अभी result आना है 1st January को. So you must be
यस
checking it
मैम।
again and again. What was the reaction? क्या like how was that day?
या मैम, एक्चुअली मैम आई लाइड टू माई मॉम लास्ट ईयर कि मेरा एक्चुअली आरआरबी पीओ नहीं हुआ है मैम लास्ट ईयर, बट आई टोल्ड माई मॉम कि because that was my first interview, ma'am, after so many years. So I lied to my mom कि माँ मेरा वेटिंग लिस्ट पे है, सिलेक्शन नेक्स्ट ईयर सिलेक्शन का एक दिन पहले आएगा. एंड मैम बिकॉज आई डिडंट वांट माय मॉम टू क्राई कि मेरा बेटा का सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ.
Understand.
बट यू नो मैम, वो लाइक का इतना जिम्मेदारी हो गया मेरा कि आई हैड टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल कि नेक्स्ट ईयर भी ऐसा हालत ना हो जाए मेरा कि दोबारा मेरे को कुछ लाइव लाइव बोलने के
नहीं ना
लिए.
करना पड़े, हाँ बिल्कुल.
हाँ
Yes.
मैम, so actually that became so obligation, and that really pushed my limits, ma'am. And मेरे को like on 31st night I felt like अरे यार आप you got 11 marks lead last time
हाँ.
and you were left by two marks, 2.36 marks.
हाँ.
So अभी इस बार तो you are having 26 marks lead interview. अगर कुछ ऐसे
इतना
भी
भी
हो जाए तो
जाएगा.
हो जाएगा.
Yes.
तो ऐसे I defended myself, ma'am.
हाँ.
I consoled myself.
हाँ.
And yeah, ma'am. So when the result was open, मेरे को ऐसा ही मैम कि एक किताब है मेरे सामने. मैं
हाँ.
ऐसे I was looking at the result, ma'am,
Uh,
because I'm so scared of looking at the result.
but when you saw that you are, congratulations, you are selected, so then you told your parents, or like सबने एक साथ देख बैठ के check किया?
No, ma'am. I was away from my parents, ma'am. So after checking the result itself, I told them, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So were they happy? I am sure they were happy. So like
Yes, ma'am.
when you came back home, did what was the celebration and all?
Celebration तो ऐसा नहीं है मैम, but my mom is so heartfeltly, she was so happy.
I am sure.
And बस वो सब देख के तो मेरा पूरा मेहनत जितना भी मैंने
हाँ,
लगाया था वो
agree,
सब भूल
agree.
गया मैम.
Yes, yes, I completely agree. I can completely relate with you. So, are you preparing for other examinations? IBPS PO means, are you thinking that you will go through? Are you preparing for it?
I hope so, ma'am, because in every section, whether I keep the least scenario wala marks
Then
also, I'm
then you.
getting some 18 to 20 marks lead आ रहा है मैम मेरा.
Okay, then
So
that
I
is
feel
very
like I
nice.
have a chance.
Yeah, yes, you
Yes, ma'am, and
definitely.
even
I'll tell
yes, ma'am, and
you, talking to you, I can completely feel that, it does not, like for the interview, I am telling you, like since you read newspapers, you are well versed with all the news going around. So in the interview, mostly they ask about these questions, right? So I think when you have the knowledge, then confidence gets out. You are confident. You are full of confidence. You can tackle any type of questions when you have the knowledge. And I can see that knowledge in you. And I am sure your IBPS PO mains will also be, you will go through the mains as well. And you'll appear for the interview as well. So my best
yes,
wishes are
ma'am.
with you. And are you
Thank you, ma'am.
preparing for SBI PO and clerk?
No, ma'am, SBI PO, I feel like it's so risky, ma'am, this time. So I'm sorry, I'm not attempting. But actually, I feel like attempting JIAB, ma'am. I am
Yeah,
so
right.
curious to know about the sources and all.
I am also thinking to put some videos on JIB. So
And I really need your guidance regarding it, ma'am.
I will definitely there. So now we will end this video. This was a very interactive session. I am sure your sources will help many, and your story, which is very inspiring, that after so many years and after so many failures,
Yes, ma'am.
you are today here, and you mentioning that you were not so bright in the studies and still
Yes, ma'am.
able to go through this examination. You did not give
Yes,
up.
ma'am.
It is the main thing. Giving up,
Yes,
one
ma'am.
can give up very easily. Giving up is the easiest option, but not giving up, and you are one of them. I appreciate. And in the last, would you, a message for the aspirants or anything, how I helped you in your preparation, maybe you from my videos, whatsoever?
मैम एक्चुअली आई यूज टू लुक कि जब भी कुछ भी नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए, जब भी कुछ भी एग्जाम पास आ जाए, सो आई वाज लुकिंग लाइक मैम कुछ तो इनपुट्स मैम देगा इनपुट्स. सो आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर इट, मैम. Whenever I get your inputs regarding any exam, like you gave, sometimes you gave mock test, and उसका वो स्कोर कार्ड आपने हमको दिखाया था, इंग्लिश का सेक्शन या कुछ भी. सो लाइक मैम, इट हेल्प्ड अस टू इंक्लूड दोस इनपुट्स इन आवर प्रिपरेशन, एंड कुछ तो एक लीड मिल रहा है मैम हम लोगों को. लाइक आई टोल्ड यू ना मैम कि आपने एक टाइम पे पूरा प्रिपरेशन को शट डाउन करके फिर रिस्टार्ट करना पड़ा आपको. तो हमें ऐसा लगा था कि मैम, पर्सनली नो कि इट्स नॉट so easy for women to again restart the preparation, because my mom, she being a pregnant woman, she prepared for state government job, ma'am, and she succeeded in it. So I know ki, like, when women can do with that much challenge, why can't a man do?
Yeah,
That
right.
is, I feel like equality also, ma'am.
Right, right.
So in that way, ma'am, you were like a torch bearer and my ray of hope in my preparation.
Thank you, dear. And a message to aspirants who are preparing.
Ma'am, never let yourself down, and believe the vision, believe that you can achieve the vision. Because even for me, being a very failure student and being a very dumb student, it took me a lot of time. Yeah, exam is not difficult, but for me to believe myself and believe that I can achieve this, I can to make up my strategy, to make up my mind that I can compete with many other students who are bright, who got selected in MNCs, who are already scored 80%, 70% the graduation and all. So it took me a time to make up my mind to be strong enough, ma'am.
I
So
agree.
अगर मेरे से होता तो सबसे होता, अगर ईमानदारी से
Yes,
दिल से करे तो.
I agree. I agree. Completely agree. Very nice. I am sure it will help many aspirants. And
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
thank you so much for your time. We were planning it since I think Saturday, right? No, Friday. No,
yes, ma'am.
Saturday only. Saturday we were trying to. Yesterday only we were. It was supposed. So,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
and thank you for your time, dear. And my best
Thank you so
wishes
much,
for
ma'am.
IBPS PO as well.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the opportunity, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, so I will end this session here.